Hi, good evening, and welcome to session number 2. In our last session, one second, sir, I'm getting some echo. In our last session, just we discussed about the definitions like what is a PowerShell, normal definition, it's a command line interface, and also we can call this a scripting language. Then we discussed the different versions information from version 1.0 or the latest one 7.x. We have a different versions. Then we covered one more concept, the stable version in complete Windows environment, that is 5.1. By default, we will get this version. And different things. One of the important one is in 2016, Microsoft announced as a PowerShell as a open source. That is a one key factor. Along with they introduced one more concept that is a .NET Core which supports other operating systems. On Windows, anyhow, ready-made thing is there. That is a .NET framework for Windows operating systems. Ready-made thing is there for Windows operating system. For other operating system purposes, they created a new framework. Upon these frameworks only, your PowerShell commands will work. And PowerShell is providing us two types of environments. That is a PowerShell console to run the commands, to learn the commands. And the next one is PowerShell ISC to develop the scripts. Develop the scripts. These two types of environments we have to use the PowerShell commands. Two types of environments we have. So we selected very first one, PowerShell console. Second one we will learn after the 20 or 22 sessions after we will go to the ISC. But please remember one thing, if you want to get the knowledge in the development of the scripts, we should good at commands. Commands, without commands we cannot create the scripts. That is highly impossible. So these 20 sessions only decides how we are going to good at in the scripting part of the automation, right? To start the consoles in your machine, it's an inbuilt one, no need to install anything for your Windows machines. It's an inbuilt one, PowerShell technology. This application is an inbuilt one your Windows operating systems. For other operating systems like Mac, like Linux, we have to install that one. But please remember one thing, to launch the PowerShell console, I explained to you three methods. One is go to the start button, type the PowerShell. You can launch with admin, with admin rights, without admin rights. Like if you type the PowerShell, see you are getting Windows PowerShell. Directly you can open this one. Or else you can go to here and type PowerShell and right click on this one. There is a one option is coming when we click on this button, right click on this button, run as an administrator. Run as an administrator. You can click on that one. Yes, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes, press yes. You will get a prompt with admin rights. Or else second method is you can go with the run run window. For that Windows R button, you have to press and type PowerShell. And if you want to get the admin rights, Control Shift Enter you have to use. Third method only applicable for only for client Windows machines only. Client means what is a client server, sir? Like whatever we are using, mostly that are the client machines only. 10, 7, 8.1, 7 also. But up to 10, if you use Windows, press Windows key and X, you will get a option like you will get a like one options will come. So in there, see Windows PowerShell with admin rights are there. You can type one character is underlined here, I in the Windows PowerShell, and here A is underlined. Directly you can type Windows X plus A. It's a case insensitive. We don't worry about the small letters and capital letters. So this is a one we covered in our last session. Yes, is it right, sir? Up to this area we covered. Am I right in the last session? I mean session number one. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, Navir.
Yes.
Yes, Matt.
And we covered, yes, this is the one. And we covered one more also. We started our journey after opening that one. Only two commands only. It is enough to start the journey. That is a get-help. Get-help. First one is a get command. After launching the PowerShell console in your machine, it's a PowerShell prompt. It's a PowerShell prompt. Just to type a word get command. Just to type a get command in your machine. Just to type a get command in your machine. I'm going to change the font size. See, just to type this command. This command, very first command, it will list out all available commands in your machine, sir. See, test it. You will get a list of commands. You will get a list of commands. Yes, it is repeating only. See, started. Yes, completed. Now closely observe this area. Very closely observe this area. Exactly this area. This area you have to observe. Again, I'm going to run the command. See, something you are getting first, very first one. Again, I'm going to run the same thing. Control C for abnormal termination. Now see what is the heading here we have. This is a command type and something is new. First observe one thing. This get command will give the list of all available commands in your machine. List out all the commands available in your server in your machine. Available commands. Total available commands. Why? Because PowerShell is a command line interface. Means it works with commands. So if you call get command at command prompt, if you run get command, yes, this is a command. If you consider this is a get command command prompt, it will list out all the commands. Maybe I in my machine, I think I will check these are how many commands are there. Yesterday I explained to you this logic also, but you don't think about what is these brackets and that other things. It is another machine, sir. My another machine. So around 1600 commands are there in my machine. So target of complete training is everything we have to achieve by the command line. That is a main target. That is a main target. Whatever we are doing from the GUI, the GUI approaches we have to achieve by using the CLI. Okay. Now come back to uh, how to find out our required commands. That is a big task in our first question. How to find out our required commands in this
Sorry, Naga.
1600. Yes.
Naga, I'm getting as in the 1700 something. So it depends on that module install, correct?
Yes, machine to machine depends on our using modules only. If you are using more
Okay.
modules, we have a different one. In yesterday also in my other machine, while connecting from other machine, around 16,000 commands we observed. Am I right? Yesterday,
Yes, around
16,000
16,007.
like that. Okay. Now the question is that first, today's concept is we need to understand one important point in today's session. The first one, in complete PowerShell, we have a commands. Okay, fine. But one important thing, whatever we are calling as a command in PowerShell commands, whatever we are calling as a PowerShell commands, commands are classified as mainly three types. Again, classification is there. The first one is a commandlet. Types of commands. PowerShell having commands. Commands again having three categories. In three categories we have commandlet. So we should pronounce like this one, commandlet. But while writing, commandlet only. It is fine. But pronounce time you have to write commandlet, commandlet. And second one is a aliases, aliases. Third one is a functions. Yes, if you learn these ones are easy, it is easy to write the automation scripts. It is easy to write the automation scripts. It is easy to write the automation script. These three things are important things. In that we are going to select the very first one in today's session. Not only today's session, almost 30-35 days we will work on this one only. Commandlet. The first point is it is a one of the command. Out of these three, one of the command it is. One of the command it is. One of the command. Out of three categories, one of the command. So what it does, what it does. If a commandlet, if you take a commandlet, it performs a single operation or maybe set of operations. Set of means more than one operation. A commandlet, actually this is a core factor. If you call one of them commandlet, a commandlet may be perform a single operation or multiple operation. With this one only we can perform anything. Like example, creation of a user or creation of a file, deletion of all files, creation of a virtual machine. See, whatever the activities we are seeing, that is possible with help of the commandlet only. Commandlet only. Commandlet. So commandlet can perform a single operation, maybe single operation creation of one file, or maybe multiple operation also, deletion of multiple files, deletion of multiple files. Maybe single operation or multiple operations. Single operation or multiple operations. Based on its nature, it will available. So what it is actually, what it is, it's a commandlet. But originally you have to give what is a commandlet. Commandlet is a one of the command out of these three. Mainly we have a three types. Yes, I mean, not only three, we have other also there. I mean, maybe you again you may get one more question. Like other types is like applications also there. These also we will call as a commands only, but we won't consider that .exe files. .exe. When I ask a question, what is a commandlet? After some time, you have to tell like it is a one of the command. It is a lightweight. Otherwise, it is a .NET object, sir. Everything is .NET object only. Everything is a lightweight or little code is written in the .NET framework. Yes, whatever the commandlet we are calling, that is originally .NET object. Why? Because on Windows or Linux, which will works on the .NET framework only. And its syntax, if you take its syntax, third point, its syntax is always available in the form of verb hyphen noun without any spaces. Verb hyphen noun, verb hyphen noun. It is a syntax. Verb hyphen noun, verb hyphen noun, verb hyphen noun. So normally, what is the meaning of verb? Verb means in general English. Verb means what is the meaning of verb? General English, like in English grammar. Verb, noun, adverb, preposition. What is a verb?
A-
General
Action.
action, single action, action. And same question for if I ask the same thing for now. Name of the object, name of any object, name of a object. Am I right? Name of the object, like a person name, like name of the object. Okay, simple things, sir. Can you give some examples technically related to verbs which are related to IT environment, like software related one?
Fetching any report?
Yes, only verb. Yes, absolutely. You're correct. That is total command line name. Verb, which is related to IT, software related one. For example, we will call eat, walk,
Create.
jump, like here get, create, create a new file, delete, remove,
Execute.
execute, update. Yes, all these are the technically verbs or not? Yes, are you getting my points? I mean, just okay, verb means action only. Just technically, you can. I mean, technical point, like IT environment point. These are the verbs. Verbs will indicates verb indicates our action or required action. Now, noun means this. Can you now give us some nouns? Noun names in IT environment.
Virtual machine, IP
Explain.
address.
Virtual machine, local user, service, process, item. Item means in PowerShell. Item means file or directory. We will call item only, sir. File or directory we will call item only. Item. Okay. For example, your expected verb name. Like for example, if you want to create a user, what is the expected? I mean, just assume what is the chances of the command let name. If you want, I want to create a new user. Just assume that one.
Create user.
Create, yes, excellent, sir. What else? Create user. I'm sorry. Create and font increase. Okay. Create user. Create hyphen user or create user.
Create hyphen user.
Create hyphen user. Maybe another choice. Maybe other choice. Other expected answers.
Add.
Update.
No, no.
New iPhone
Create
user.
a new hyphen user. Maybe this is also one choice. Creation
Add
related.
user.
Add user. Absolutely. These are there are the choices. See, in your result also, if you see the command here, where it is here, again I'm list outing the command. Closely observe here. No, here it is of the functions. Even functions also available in the same form, sir. Functions also available in the form of verb by for noun only. But our target is at this point command lit. From the command lit only everything is available. See, is it in the form of verb by for now? Any command lit you can take it. Is it verb by for now? Verb by for
Yes.
now? Yes, verb by
Yes.
for now. So verb indicates our required action. Noun means related to your required service. Which one you want to do? Which one you want to do? That is a main component in complete PowerShell commands. One of the important one is this is a commandlet. Very first one and important one is a commandlet. This is a commandlet. It is nothing but lightweight dotted object. It will perform single operation, maybe a set of operations, single or set of operations, single or set of operations, and it's a syntax. And just elaborated what is a verb in the technically how to call the verb and the noun. We are not sure. These are just we are assuming there is a chance of to create a user. These are the things. Okay. Fine. So now my target is next target is okay. Now I want to create a new, I want to create a user, or I want to retrieve the user's information. Retrieve the, or getting the user's information. Local users information. I mean local server only. Where is the local machine? My local machine. This is my target. Local servers information I want to find out. Okay. So how to find out? Definitely one of the command is your required one. One of the command is in this result. One of them is your required one. But how to find out the required one? That is a one more question. How to find out the required one? Either you have to do one thing. You have to search. These are the command name. No command name. This is a command type. For example, if you are list outing this total thing, you will get aliases. Just ignore the aliases, ignore the functions. Then you have to search from the commandlet. You have to search from the commandlet. From these results, you have to search from this one. From here, you have to search. Is there any keyword in the commandlet name? Local user or user? You have to search one by one, one by one, one by one. Is there anything local? I mean, I want to find out the commands which are related to local user. It will take very long time. So that to simplify this one, in PowerShell there is a one operator is there. Normally at command prompt we are using in this way. For example, you can consider this is a command prompt. When you use get command, it will list out all the commands. But there is a one operator is there, wildcard operator, simply star symbol, sir. It is a wildcard operator. We will call wildcard operator. Yes, wildcard operator detailed explanation we will see at the time of the comparison operators. There is a one operator is there like, there we will see. But now see how to simplify that required list. Very simple. You can type the get command space, at least one space. Wildcard you have to type two times. Then your searching keyword you have to write here, sir. Searching keyword you have to write type here. Whatever the searching keyword is there, type here without any spaces. Searching keyword you have to type here with the two between two star symbols. Star symbol means it's a wildcard we should call. So what it will do, it will print all the commands which are containing your searching keyword. Means, come back. See, you can use CLS or clear, CLS or clear or control L. Press control L. Screen will move up. It will clear the screen. CLS, clear, like control L. You can use any one of them. Now see, I want to find out the, okay, what item or what thing, I mean here I want to find out the local users. What is a verb name? I can select it. What is a expected verb name, searching verb name.
Get.
Yes.
Okay, now while searching time you have to use noun only, sir. The keyword should be noun related one only you have to use. The keyword should be noun related one. Now tell me which noun I have to select randomly. It is not 100%. We don't know the command now.
It's
User.
the
User.
user.
Okay, see. Now tell me, now list is small or not, comparing with previous one to now.
Yes.
Yes. Again here in that, ignore the functions, ignore the other application, just to concentrate only on commandlets. Only commandlets. Only commandlets. Hardly we have here 11. Now one more question. In that one, which command based on again in the result we are selecting commandlets. In the commandlets, which is the suitable one to retrieve the data of the local users? What is our expected verb name?
Get local
Get.
user.
Either this one or this, sorry, this one or this one. Is it correct? Any one of them, definitely it is one of our required one. Is it correct? This one, get local user. This only having get, remaining all are not related to retrieve the data. Is it correct? This point is important. Based on the verb name, based on the verb name, we are finding this one. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, just here, closely observe either this one or this one. Okay, now just we are finding the commands only, but how to find out more details about this one? We don't know even how to use it. That things I want to find out first command information, second command information. In my mind, I have a two question. First one, how to find out more details? How to find out the more details? Second one, how to use it? How to use it? These two questions in my mind. How to use it? Okay, I want to get this command let more information. Okay, before seeing that one, let's check the all the commands which are related to like log file, log, log, which are related to log. Now tell me what should I write the search keyword? Verb by from noun. Noun only you have to search as a searching keyword.
Again, we can search with log only.
Log. That is only one keyword is there. So see, just closely in the total result, ignore aliases, ignore in the command type only. All these are the command types only. Concentrate on only commandlets. For example, if I want to write a new log, new or create, which is suitable one, or get retrieve the data, you can take any one. For example, here retrieve the data, which is suitable one, retrieve the data. Definitely any one of them, these three. Is it correct?
Yes.
So we made 1600 comments as a three comments. Closely observe here. 1600 comments are there. We decided three of them is our required one. In three of them, one of them is our required one. But how we are not sure about which is the correct one. But we made that list as three. 1600 we made as a three. In the three, one of them. But we don't know. For example, get event log. That is a command later. But how to use it and what it does and what is its syntax, we don't know. These three questions still it is pending. Okay, when you know the searching keyword is nothing but the noun name, then you can search in this way. When you know the searching keyword, get command wildcard and searching keyword wildcard. The searching keyword should not have any spacer. Without spaces, you have to use it. Without spaces, you have to use it. Searching keyword. Okay, for example, if you have the space, maybe you may get that type of question. You may ask that type of question. That you have to use double quotes approach, sir. One more concept we have to learn. But at this point, without spaces only. I mean, like your searching keyword having like
User.
process, like user something. Just directly you can use it without any spaces between this one. I am talking about here. But get command to your searching keyword wildcard, you have to maintain at least one space. At least you have to maintain one space. More than one also fine, but at least you have to maintain one space. One is a required one. Hmm. Then now, if you go to the previous one, okay, you can. If I want to find out the commands which are related to HTML, just to type this HTML. See, only one command is there related to HTML. Only and the command also command let only again. In the same way, can you find out the commands which are related to service in your machine? How many results you are getting? Service. Are you doing in the same manner? Are you doing in the same manner?
No.
Yes. This is the result you are getting. I mean, these are the commands we have. Command let's again. Is it correct? Service related one.
Yes.
For example, I want to create a service. What is the suitable one? Based on the verb, you have to give the answer. In this
Get
result,
ser-
which is a suitable
Get
one
command.
to
get service.
start
Get
the
service.
service, start the service, get the
Okay.
service, get retrieve the data. Yes. Stop the service, suspend the service. Yes, absolutely. These are the our required ones. Okay, now 1 second, come back. Now we can say after first point by using get command wildcard searching keyword. By this we can find out all the commands which are having the required keyword. Second point is based on the, and in the result you have a multiple things will come. Select the commandlet. That is the second point. Third one is in the commandlet based on the verb sort out the list. Sort out the I mean, for example, get command local user is there. This is a one. This is a one. Local. Actually, all are commandlets only, no doubt. Okay, I do one more example. I will take one more example, like mm, item, for example. See, this is a item result. Now, when you're searching item related commands, ignore the functions, ignore the application. These are the available commands. These are the available commands. In that, to create item means maybe file, maybe directory in Windows in the PowerShell. So creation of that one. So definitely creation means no create command. Verb not create is not
Mm,
there. Only one is there new.
yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
These two, any one of them. Now, how to find out more details about these two? That is the second one, sir. Before this one, already I said to you, we started our journey with alphabet A and B. So, if you want to find out any commandlet more information, if you find out any commandlet more information, that is possible with get-help only. So, what is a get-help? It is a commandlet. See, it is also in the form of verb-noun only. It is a commandlet. It will provides the, listen carefully, provides the documentation like manual pages, simply manual pages of the given commandlet. Means, please listen carefully, don't execute anything. At command prompt get-help, you can provide, you are suspecting two commandlets now in the previous example. These two are your expecting new item property. Any one of them is your required one. We are not sure, but any one of them is your required one. So first one you have to submit here. First one you have to submit here. First one you have to submit here. For very first time, if you are submitting this one, there are two choices. There are two problems you will get. Any one of the problem you will get. Two types of problems you will get. So get-help will provide only documentation, manual pages only it will provide. So what is the two problems if you run this one? The problem number one, you will get a prompt, sir. You will get a prompt like update the help document. Update the help document means it will give you three options: yes or no or suspend. You will get three options. Don't press anything. And second one is, if you are getting any output, the output should not have these side headings. The side headings are name, synopsis, syntax, description, related links, remarks. Please verify. I mean, side headings means like this one. 1 second, I will show you. First of all, I will explain on my machine. Get-help. Our commandlet, first commandlet. What is the first commandlet? Line number 31. New item. Get-help, new item. See, for my machine, it is up to date, sir. That's why I'm getting the side heading name, synopsis, syntax, description, then related links, and remarks is there. Maybe here, if you try to run this one, you will get a prompt also, update yes or no, like that. Can you test the same thing on your machine? Get-help space new item. And what type of information you are getting? Are you getting a prompt or incomplete description like some other headings? Maybe aliases will come, but aliases is not there here. The same names you have to If you get same names, we can say your system is up to date for the documentation of the commands. Yes, please test it on your machine. Okay, fine. Uh, okay, what is the name, sir? I'm not getting. Yes, we are getting the prompt. Yes, name is still showing waiting only.
For me, I'm not getting description. I have name,
Okay,
syntax, aliases, and remarks.
okay, fine. Yes, good. I mean, we have to. That is not updated. Simply, we can say that is not updated. So I'm requesting everyone, please do this activity. Not getting any
For me
prompt.
also, I'm
Okay,
not getting the description.
okay, fine, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
same
Pooja,
with me.
Pooja, are you getting? Yes, Pooja, are you getting? If you are not getting the prompt, are you getting the side headings like name,
Yeah,
synopsis,
I'm
syntax?
getting all the information as you are getting
Like, I mean, your machine is up to date for the
up to date.
documentation of the
Yes.
commands, correct?
Yes, right. Yeah.
Because is something I have to run this as an administrator?
Yes, yes. I
I'm
will
running this
give
as
the
a
remedies.
normal.
Yes, yes, I will. I will give the remedy. Whatever the situation, either one or two, even, even if a machine is up to date, this is we have to run this command every 6 months one time. So before running this one, two things are required. First of all, you have to launch the console with admin rights. Second one is internet connection is required. Two things are required. Launch the PowerShell console already, which is admin rights only. Here, admin rights are there. So now, what is the first before going to run this command? Update -help. The command itself, commandlet itself is there. It is just updating the document over the internet from the PowerShell website. By default, even this is just for information purpose. By default, every Windows machine having a repository. This is a repository name. Nothing but www.powershellgallery.com app version v2. So from this version, from this URL, your machine going to take the latest documents of your machine commands. Whatever you have in your machine commands, like really that are modules actually. We should call as a module. Modules is nothing but collection of commands. In the commands, we have our command letter. So before running this command, you have to observe one thing. You have the internet connection with admin rights you have to run. Press enter key. Sir, you will get 1 to 2 errors. Total, we have almost 70 to 80 modules are there. It is going to upgrade all the modules documents. Modules in the sense commands only. See, updating help for module. Some name is coming. Don't worry, some errors will come, one or two. That modules are empty in your machine. That's why it is throwing an error. Please run this command in your machine and don't disturb this one. Yes, I received one error, config module, some PS read line. Okay, no problem. Remaining are updated perfectly. Please run this one and don't disturb that one. So those who are, I mean, for your machine, if it is completed, update is completed. Yes, yes. Now, can you rerun the command? Previously, we didn't receive the document for the new item. Please check that again.
Yes, it's updated now. You're getting something. Get item in that.
I mean, now you have the side headings, I think. Am I right? Line
Yeah,
number
description
41.
and all.
Yes. Yes, please confirm it. Remaining 19 members.
I cannot run administrative console because my office machine will not let that. So I have to
Okay.
manage with non-administrative.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Update is not even it is not a mandatory, but just we have a Documentation it is a problem, but without that one also we can use the laptop, no worries.
For me, I got few errors when I tried
Okay, I
to
mean like this
update
one.
help.
Okay. Right, right. I think you're using more modules,
Yeah, that
correct?
might be because yeah, because there are 4 to 5 errors.
Okay, 4 to 5 update hyphen help module errors. Okay, sure,
Yes.
definitely we have to resolve that one also. We have to resolve that one at the modules concept.
Okay.
So this help we cannot do that offline, correct, Naga?
No, it is possible. It is possible. Offline also
Okay.
possible, but we have to create the repository. Like, see, definitely possible. The answer is possible for that. See, we have to find out all the commands which are related to. Just I showed you one command from where it is updating. Like that, set the
Okay.
command which are related to PS repository just with noun name. Something we have to create our own repository on like gem server point. Maybe you may have to chance to take the help from the gem server, bug server is from there. Yes, absolutely it is possible. Or Git repository. Possible is there, but we have to create our own end. Like if we don't have the internet connection, yes, this is a way we can upgrade it.
Okay, we have to download it manually and we have to register that repository.
Absolutely, we have to put it into one directory and we have to create that path. From that path, we can execute it.
Right.
Okay, now let's take that one. So now, what is the help item? Help information it is giving. If you take the new item, what is the help information? It is see name only normal name and next short information, short description. Synopsis is nothing but short description. Create a new item. Create a new item. See, now this is a syntax. Two sets of syntaxes are available. Set 1, set 2. Set 1, set 2. We know this area. We don't know single character also at this point. Whatever I'm selecting now, we don't know even single character. But we know this is a one of the command let and its information. This is its information. The new item commandlet creates a new item and sets its value. The type of item that can be created depends on the location of the item. For example, in file system, new item create a files and folders. Just I said, item means in Windows that is maybe file or directory. New item creates register keys also. Okay, fine. Some information is there. Sir, please remember, without syntax, we can't do anything. It is not possible in all the situations. It is a mandatory component. Very, very important. There is a one concept will come parameters, positional parameters. And next one related links is nothing but over the web. You can take the help option about this command help option. Related commandlets based on the item, new item you are searching. See, all other commands which are having the noun name as item, verb is different, noun is same, noun is same. And some remarks, extra features here. This is a one. But I'm saying that one without syntax we can't do anything. Without syntax we can't do anything. See, even if I try to press new item enter, see, it is not working. It is not working. It is not working. Help is important one. For example, same way, come back to another one. I want to get the users information, which is a suitable one in the filtration. All are commandlets only directly. Which is a suitable one to retrieve the local users information?
GitHub and local user.
Yes, but we are not sure. I want to get more details about the get local users. How to do that one? First command filtration. Second one information. Can I use getFNL? And your searching command, is it correct? So these two steps are clear. How to search based on your keyword and in the list how to find out one by one commandlet information. Is it clear about this approach?
Yes.
Yeah.
When we press enter, see it is saying that one local users account. No, go to the long description, sir. Yes, this commandlet gets local user accounts. This commandlet gets the default built-in accounts and this will give the local user accounts that you created and which is linked to Microsoft also. All together it will list out. Here two sets of syntaxes are available. Two sets means starting with get local user. Here also starting with get local user. Two sets are there. If I try to run without syntax help, will it work?
No.
Will it work? Yes, working.
Yep.
At this point it is working,
Yep.
but always it is not possible. See, whatever the versionally, if you go to the manage my computer, right click manage. See, the same users you are getting here on the screen. Am I right?
Yes.
Same thing we are getting. But taking without syntax help, we cannot run all the commands. But here it is working. Here it is working, but all chance always it won't work, sir. Next, in the same manner, I want to find out the .exe files. You know .exe files. When we start the mission, so many .exe file backgroundly, foreground it will work. Otherwise, just go to the task manager. See, this is your process information. These are the foreground, background, processor information. Totally, these are the foreground, background, processor information. This information, sir, while searching a command with alphabet get hyphen help, get hyphen command is there na. Listen, this is an important point. While searching keyword you have to maintain always in the singular word. Maximum commands are available in the form of singular only. Singular name you have to take it. The same way, this is a GUI mode, processes information. I want to find out this processor related command let. That is my target. Yes. Tell me, sir, step number one. Hmm. Get command. Please remember, get command. What is the keyword I should follow? Is it correct? Process?
Process. Yes.
Process.
Now, in that result, take the only command let. In the command let, take the only retrieve the data. Retrieve the data. What is a suitable verb name?
Get process. Get
Git
process.
process.
PS host process info.
These three, any one of them is there is a one chance. For example, if you want to find out this command information, what should I type here? Get hyphen
Get get
command?
hyphen get process. Sorry. Get
No,
hyphen
no, it
space.
is wrong. It is
Get
wrong. It is wrong. Get hyphen help, more information. No, get hyphen
get
help,
help.
get pause. Searching purpose, get command. In the searching, we will get the result. For that, you have to use get process. Yes, simply it is saying that one that are running on local or remote computer. So here you can take it without any parameter. New word we received here without any parameter. It will give to you all processor information. Here we have a more than five syntax, six syntax sets are available. If I try to run this command without syntax help, yes, it will work. But see the result. We are getting the some result. Sir, we need to understand how to read this result also. Understanding the result also important one. How to read this result. How to read this result. How to read this result. And what is this first line? How to read this result. Reading the result. There is a one concept will come properties. Property. What is a property? Yes. This is command is executing and giving the result. But all commands won't execute directly. It's need some extra things that is nothing but parameters. But we don't know about the parameter at this point. So what we did as of now, by using get command wildcard we are using. With wildcard we are searching. We are searching that command. And get hyphen help with help of the get hyphen help command, we are taking the more information. And very first time while taking the get hyphen help, we received one issue. That is nothing but only one time only. I mean, it is not no, always we won't get. every 6 months we have to run the update help command. That is a best practice. That is a best practice. Update help. Update help. It will update the all documents of your related commandlets. Okay. Now the question is, always it is not possible to run the command without syntax help. Syntax is mandatory one. Like in this example, see here, how to read this syntax? That is the first question. How to use this syntax and what are the other components after the command let name? Second question is how to read the any commandlet result. If you take the any commandlet result, for example, I am using get local user. How to read this commandlet output? What is this output style and how to read this one? What we will call every line and what is this false? That terms also important. This component we will see in the next session. That is nothing but Monday session, sir. On Monday session we will see so how to use this one. So Monday you will get a new link, sir. The new link is available for only registered people who are already in the WhatsApp groups. For them I will share this one. There is no session on Saturday and Sunday. There is no session on Saturday and Sunday. We will meet on Monday with a new link. Meanwhile, just practice with wildcard and take the help documents. Yes, is there any queries related to today's question?
Yeah,
One
Naga,
question I
actually, I'm
have.
not able to find get local user. Actually, is there anything I need to do with an updates?
What is your system OS?
One second, Naga, let me confirm you.
In the meantime,
Yeah,
Naga, I
Naga,
just
it's
want
Windows
to.
10 actually.
Okay, if it is other than 10, just you have to download framework from here.
Oh,
Windows uh,
Windows 10
management framework.
actually.
Okay, Windows 10, no doubt, it will work. No doubt, it will work. Just recheck that one. Maybe you are entering any spelling mistake. If
Yeah, I
other
have
than
entered
Windows
it, but
10,
I'm
just
getting an error actually. I mean,
after
I'm
update
not getting it.
-m, just restart. What about other
Okay.
commands like service process? Is it there?
Yeah, yeah,
What
it's
about other
working, Naga.
commands?
It's working. It's
Okay,
showing
fine.
only for local user. It's showing empty
Maybe search in another way. I mean, local or some users only. Are you getting any other command? Maybe
users,
5.1
right?
version we have to search. Yesterday, I said to
Yeah,
you how to check the version also. Get into host like that.
yeah. I tried typing get command users. I'm getting only one command.
What is the command?
It's cmdlet, Naga.
CMD. Okay, command let only.
Get
Command
command
let means.
star users.
Mhm. After maybe after updation, just to do the restart, then verify. After update -l, after running this one,
Yeah,
just to
yeah,
restart the machine and verify it. Even if you are not getting, just ping me that screenshot to on WhatsApp. Even
yeah, yeah.
after that
Sure,
one
Naga.
also, if you are not getting. Okay. Sir, what is
Yeah,
another question? I received something. I listened some word.
Yeah, yeah.
Meanwhile, yes, sir.
Naga, this is Sagar. So my question is related with the update. So what is the other way you mentioned to fix the errors?
That is a modules which are we are wherever we are getting the errors. That is a empty modules are there. We have to install that modules manually, sir.
Okay,
For that red color errors, I will give that solution for that.
okay.
Okay.
I'll also try.
So yes, okay, sir. So thank you all. Now I will stop here. We will meet on Monday. Thank you. I will share this recorded session video link in the group.
Naga, hello? Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello, Naga. Naga, actually, I'm getting only syntax, not